Rule number 4, the ident rule. The ident rule states that if the argument is the same as the base, or the argument equals to the base, then the whole logarithm should equal to a 1. In theory, log of a base a equals to 1. Log of 5 base 5 equals to a 1. Log of infinity base infinity should equal to a 1. For example, log of 100 base 10, this equals to, remember 100 is the same as 10 squared, log of 10 squared base 10. From power rule, 2 becomes the coefficient of this logarithm, and this becomes 2 log of 10 base 10. But from identity rule, log of 10 base 10 equals to 1. This implies that we have 2 times 1, which equals to a 2. Therefore, log of 100 to base 10 equals to a 2.